Not sure if I'm being heard, but this is so huge. Like, it's larger than life, honestly, and I'm just at awe at how pretty it is. This is me in front of behind. Back. I'm going back. Bye girl. Thank you, Amir, for suggesting this. If you watch this, thank you so much. It's so pretty. And it's so worth it. Umbrellas. Look, it's so pretty. Oh god. Whoever made this, or whoever people are here, like, they're so diligent and patient in finishing this statue. Let's just take another photo. Really itself, we were able to see this in this lifetime. Like, it's such an honor to see this, to see such marvel in this lifetime. So it's really nice to spend my first week as a 27-year-old seeing such majestic thing in this lifetime. So I'm excited for more things, more places that I can travel to, and I'm so excited for myself. Maybe I'll take a photo. Oh, I already have photos, but so surreal. I just can't believe this is real life. Take a 4K video for a bit, Just a few seconds only. Swear, right here. It's so huge, and there's a lot of walking happening. It's like the zoo, but there's nothing much to see other than the statues. But I think those are mythological creatures, probably. I have to search afterwards. So yeah, this is so nice. This is a nice experience to get to know their culture, I guess. This is where I came from earlier. Oh, it's a huge expanse, and there's a lot of quiet spaces, I think. Now let's see this lotus pond. We have a lotus pond here. We'll be checked. I got a hat. No one is claiming it, so I just got it. I think it's not my fault that they forgot their hat. Maybe I can just move this vlogging camera. And then I went here. Oh, it's not being shot. Let me just adjust it. Went here to the Plaza Wisnu. And then, oh my god, I'm catching my breath. And then there's a mini cinema. I haven't went there. But yeah, let's go now. It looks like this here. Oh my god, it's such a huge area. Do I go to the Lotus Park? I'm not sure again. I think the heat is just much freaking. I'll go back. You can see here the other statues. I don't see the Koreans anymore. I'm not sure if they went to the Garuda. This is another statue here. Oh god, I'm catching my breath.